Alrighty then, what's going on YouTube? Guess what we're doing today? My buddy calls me up a little while ago and he's like, hey, what you doing? I'm like, oh, you know, hanging out. And he's like, I want to powder coat my, stay there. I want to powder coat the frame on my bike. I'm like, oh, okay. Yeah, you want to help me strip it? I was like, yeah, fuck, why not? This is Joe.
How you doing?
Oh, it's not, this camera, man, does not zoom in, or does not focus. This is his Harley. I have no idea about it.
Yeah,
It's, what was it, a 90?
It's 95 Super Glide.
95 Super Glide.
FXDS.
So he brought it over and we're gonna strip it down to the bare frame and he's gonna get her powder coated and then I'm assuming I'll probably help him put it back together at some point, but that's what we're gonna do, right, Joe?
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, let's rip her apart. Yeah, so we're making good progress. We've only been doing this for, I'd say, maybe not even 45 minutes. So, bike's getting down there. Holy, parts galore. This was a running, driving motorcycle about 45 minutes ago. We're getting it done!
I'm good.
Alright, update. Yeah. Oh yeah, camera, focus, sweet. Part pile's getting bigger. There was a bike earlier. Pretty much just the exhaust, pull the transmission off the engine, and yank the rest of it out, eh, bud?
Pretty much it, man. That's all that's left.
That's all that's left. Right on. Quick update. Holy, we're about to pull the engine out. Oh, I guess we're pulling it out right now. You got her, buddy? Hey, hey, hey. This thing's gonna fall though. We're gonna have to readjust. Engine's out. Perfect. You want to grab the swing arm and slide it my way. Oh, there.
Need a little bit of weight here.
That's good enough for now. For a sec, anyway. Look at that. This was a fully running
Bare bones.
Harley Davidson.
4 hours ago.
No, it's only been 2, man.
What?
It's only been like 2.5 hours.
We're good. We're good.
We're solid. Look at that. Gotta love it. Right, Moose? Yes, sir, buddy. Cool, man. Well, transmission out and then we're done.
Train, swing arm, toast.
Yeah, swing arm, I guess, yeah. Schwau. Well, we did her in 3 hours. I don't know if that's really anything to brag about because I've never ripped apart a Harley before. You have, sort of, kind of.
Yeah.
You know?
I've done it once or twice. I built that last year, but that's it's a pretty good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
Well, there you go. That is the aftermath of a Harley that was ridden here 3 hours ago.
Yeah.
Bare frame sitting there, parts everywhere. Now we gotta load it up and bring it to his house. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this quick little tear down of this Harley video, and I guess we'll just keep pumping out content like this. I don't know what else to do. It's quarantine and all this blah 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 blah. Life's weird. Let's just friggin' give her. Have a good one. Say fucking words, math. I love you.